You see when time them build up the nest, them build it well strong.
Strong, it look like it.
Yeah man, because you know the weather, you know the breeze, you know.
Oh, okay. Like, man have about 5 wasps on the hand and bite you. Got it.
You can't lose your whole thing.
No sir, me not hold nothing. Nothing want come, that's the furthest me don't want to come. Because they don't like me, they bite me all the time. Because wasp, man. And I sit down and see him, sir.
Yeah man.
So I'm going to sting out this already for you now. Oh, friggin' hell, them coming my way. I want another.
You see that one?
Yeah. Last time I come here, one of them bite me. So, you see all them wildlife, man.
Yeah man, I control wasps and bees and up to about a couple months back, I have a hive of bees right there.
Okay.
They just fly down in the yard and I just control them.
Okay. Yeah. That kind of beast was controller.
Alright, tell you what now.
Yeah.
Me going to make you control in this and my video with it.
No, Bertie,
Yeah, man,
I ain't
come,
touch. Me not touch
no,
them.
just come, man.
Me
Just
no, no,
touch
no.
them.
I'm not that brave. Me not brave. No, be afraid of them. No, man, be afraid of them.
No,
sir,
come.
no, sir.
Alright, give me camera.
You go along with it. You go along with it.
camera,
No,
give me camera,
no. We push our dog now. We see him. Look, they bite me.
You're not going to sting you, man. Me tell you, say you're not going to sting you.
No, sir. Me no want to find that out at all.
Eh?
Other professionals say you take them off and you get the glorification freak. Me no want none of that. None of that. And I ask if it didn't burn. You can put it on your mouth too. Alright, good. It's a wasp nest that. Not a rasp mouth. It's a rasp nest. Oi, aye. I hear that one. I hear that. You do them now. Come here, water. Whee! I'm gone.